Check, check. Is this thing on?
Yes, you're live, Mr. Podcast Superstar.
Ooh, fancy! Hello, everyone. Welcome to the English Corner podcast, where your English gets better and your brain gets confused in a fun way.
I'm Ella, and sitting across from me, drinking his fourth coffee already, is Aiden.
Don't judge me. This coffee is the only reason I'm fluent.
Today's episode is all about how to talk about your daily life in English.
Yep, we'll show you how to describe your day without sounding like a robot. Because I wake up, I brush my teeth, I go to work. Sounds like a sad English textbook. We'll make it real, funny, and natural, like how humans actually talk.
So, Aiden, how's your morning routine?
Oh, it's beautiful. I wake up at 6 a.m., meditate, eat oatmeal, stretch.
Lies.
Okay, fine. I wake up, hit snooze 5 times, and question my life choices.
Relatable. You can say, I wake up at 7. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth.
Or my version. I wake up at 7, but my soul wakes up at 10.
And I brush my teeth, unless you forget and just chew gum instead.
I make coffee. That's my favorite English sentence ever!
I eat breakfast. Some people eat eggs, others just eat stress.
Or I check my phone, because clearly memes are more important than food.
After that, it's time to pretend to be productive.
Exactly! You can say, I go to work at 9. I take the bus. I study English online.
I start my work. I have a meeting. And if you hate meetings, say it with pain.
I answer emails. Which means I stare at them for 10 minutes, then take a snack break.
I study English after lunch. Wow, brave. I can't even find my motivation after lunch.
Mine's gone by 10 a.m.
And if you're a student, I go to class. I take notes. I listen to the teacher.
Translation: I pretend to listen while daydreaming about pizza. Lunchtime. The one thing I truly believe in.
Preach. You can say, I have lunch with my friends. I eat rice. I take a short break.
My real version: I have lunch, eat too much, and regret everything.
I eat healthy, says everyone while holding a burger.
I drink juice, which is basically fruit pretending to be soda.
I take a nap after lunch. That's not laziness, that's energy management. So, what's your evening like, Aiden?
I get home, throw my bag, and instantly become a potato.
Perfect grammar.
Learners can say, I get home at 6. I cook dinner. I relax. I watch TV.
Or, I scroll on my phone for 2 hours and call it relaxing.
I cook dinner, and by that, I mean I open food delivery apps.
Or, I watch TV with my family. Translation, we argue about what to watch.
Classic family English vocabulary. No, not that show again.
Nighttime. The era of lies.
I'll sleep early. Famous last words.
You can say, I take a shower. I brush my teeth. I go to bed at 11.
But do I sleep at 11? No. I scroll until 2 a.m. and question everything.
Same. My phone drops on my face and that's my bedtime signal.
I read a book before bed. Okay, Mr. Perfect, we get it.
Or, I watch one episode, and then Netflix says, are you still watching? Yes, I am.
Hey, Ella, what do you do every morning?
I wake up, make coffee, and try to look like a human.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I love eggs, but sometimes just toast and regret.
What about after work?
I watch shows, do skincare, and talk to my plants.
Wow, very healthy. My evening is just memes and microwave pizza.
That's called balance, my friend.
Wait, do your plants actually listen to you?
Of course. They're my best listeners. They never interrupt, never judge.
Lucky you! My microwave interrupts me all the time. Beep, beep, beep. Your pizza is ready!
Your microwave is basically your roommate.
Yeah, and it's the only one who understands my lifestyle. Pizza broken heart.
Maybe you should name it. What about Chef Beep?
Chef Beep! I love it! It deserves a cooking show!
Okay, but seriously, what do you do every morning, Aiden?
I wake up, check my phone, and instantly regret being alive.
Haha, the universal morning routine.
Then I make coffee, scroll through memes, and pretend it's research. Coffee phone.
That's productivity right there.
What about weekends?
Oh, weekends are sacred. I wake up late, go for a walk, maybe grab brunch.
Brunch? So fancy.
It's just breakfast that woke up late, okay?
True. My weekend routine is simple. Wake up, snack, nap, repeat.
That's not a routine. That's a lifestyle.
Exactly. The art of lazy living.
But honestly, talking about your daily life in English is super useful, right?
Absolutely. It helps you start conversations, meet people, and sound more natural.
Yeah, you can say things like, I wake up at 7. I go to work. I watch TV in the evening. Simple, clear, and real.
And you can make it fun, like,
Or, I cook dinner and hope it's edible.
see? English doesn't have to be boring. It can be your story, your humor, your real life.
Exactly. The more you talk about you, the easier it gets.
So, learners, try it. Think about your own day.
Yeah. What do you do every morning? Or at night?
Practice it out loud. Maybe even talk to your plants like Ella does.
Hey, they're great listeners, okay?
All right, fair. I'll go talk to Chef Beep later. All right, quick recap for our awesome listeners.
Morning. I wake up, brush my teeth, drink coffee.
Work. I go to work, have meetings, and pretend to understand.
Lunch. I eat with friends and say it's a break.
Evening. I relax, scroll, and call it self-care.
Night. I go to bed. Eventually.
Practice these every day, and you'll sound supernatural in no time.
Okay, question of the day. What's your favorite part of the day?
Morning, lunch, or Netflix o'clock?
Tell us in the comments and make it funny. We love reading your answers.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your English learning buddies.
And remember, English is like coffee. Better with a smile and a little chaos.
Before we go, remember this, friends.
Learning English isn't about being perfect. It's about being real.
Every mistake you make means you're actually learning.
So, be proud of every word you say, even if it's funny, weird, or a little wrong.
That's how we all start. My first English sentence was, I am hungry of chicken.
And now you're a teacher. See? Miracles happen.
So keep going, keep laughing, and keep learning with us.
You're not just learning English. You're building confidence, step by step.
And we're right here with you on this crazy English adventure.
Coffee, laughter, and a little grammar.
Thanks for joining our English podcast today. You made it awesome.
You're amazing. Now go talk about your day like a pro.
Or take a nap. We support both.
See you next time on The English Corner.